All right, now let's discuss how we can use the calculator to compute the net present value. So we have an example. The example says ABC Corporation is considering an investment project that requires an initial outlay of $150,000. The project is expected to generate cash inflows of $50,000, $30,000, $80,000, and $70,000 at the end of each year for the next 4 years. If the required rate of return is 10%, we are asked to calculate the project's NPV. Okay, so we are going to use the cash flow function in the calculator to compute the project's NPV. So we turn on the calculator. Once we turn it on, we are going to press CF. Okay, so just in case we might have used this cash flow function before, we are going to press second function CEC. Okay, so that clears the memory of the cash flow worksheet. Okay, now we are going to start inputting our values. The first cash flow we have is $150,000. Okay, now because this is an initial outlay, okay, so basically it's an outflow, we are going to put a negative to it. So we press this plus or minus button here to put negative to it since it's an outflow. Now once we have done that, we're going to press enter. Okay, we press arrow down, then we are going to put the first cash flow. Okay, so that's an inflow. We have 50,000, so we'll press 50,000, we press enter. We press arrow down, we press arrow down again. Okay, so the next cash flow we have, which occurred at year 2, is 30,000. So we press 30,000, we press enter. We press arrow down, we press arrow down again. We'll put the next cash flow, which is 80,000. So we press 80,000, we press enter. We'll press arrow down, we press arrow down again. We'll put the final cash flow, which is 70,000. So we'll press 70,000, we press enter. Okay, now once we are done putting in the cash flows, we are going to press the NPV button. Okay, so we see I, which is our interest rate or the discount rate. So the required rate of return for this project is 10%. So we are going to press 10, we press enter. Okay, now we press arrow down, we see NPV, so we press compute. So that gives us NPV of 28,164.06. Okay, so this is how we can use the calculator to compute NPV for a project.